Are you thinking of ruling the seas? These 3 award-winning sailing catamarans are perfect for your ocean-conquering fantasies. Spacious layouts, cutting-edge technology, and state-of-the-art features make them the ultimate choice for beginner or expert sailors. With advanced hull designs and optimized sail plans, these options deliver superior handling even in challenging conditions, making them the ideal watercraft for island hopping or crossing oceans. In this episode, we're counting down this year's top 3 luxurious sailing catamarans. Let's make those sailing fantasies a reality and check out our choice for the top spot. Welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. Taking the 3rd spot in our lineup, the Lagoon 43 is a nominee for the European Yacht of the Year 2025 and Boat of the Year Cruising World, which sets it apart as one of the finest catamarans in the market. The perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance, plus its contemporary design and layout, offers a seamless connection between the cockpit and saloon, creating a spacious and inviting atmosphere. High-quality wood finishes, soft-touch fabrics, and expansive windows enhance the onboard experience, providing natural light and stunning ocean views. Measuring 45 feet 6 inches or 13.85 meters, with a beam of 25 feet 3 inches or 7.69 meters, the Lagoon 43 delivers both stability and efficiency. Its twin 190 HP Yanmar diesel engines push it to a top speed of 20 knots, or 37 kilometers per hour, while its 151-gallon or 570-liter fuel capacity and 79-gallon or 300-liter water capacity make it ideal for extended cruising. The Lagoon 43 exemplifies many of the features that we look for in a mid-range catamaran. This masterpiece could be yours for a base price of $530,000 US. Securing the runner-up position, the Perini Navi Art Explorer 47 showcases a cutting-edge catamaran design, combining performance, elegance, and versatility. Its modern, striking design turns heads, with an open layout that smoothly links the deck and main area, creating a roomy space that's perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Rich wood finishes, plush textiles, and expansive windows elevate the interior, inviting natural light and panoramic ocean views. Due to its groundbreaking design and superior craftsmanship, the Perini Navi Art Explorer 47 was awarded with the International Yacht and Aviation Awards 2024, Best Sailing Super Yacht of 2025, and many more. Measuring 154 feet or 47 meters in length, with a beam of 55.7 feet or 17.1 meters, the Art Explorer 47 is crafted for stability and precision on the water. Powered by a pair of advanced marine propulsion Caterpillar C7 engines, it achieves a top speed of 13 knots or 24 kilometers per hour, delivering both power and sustainability. With a fuel capacity of 9,510 gallons or 36,000 liters and a water capacity of 2,642 gallons or 10,000 liters, it is designed for extended voyages without compromise. This multi-hull represents the pinnacle of performance, sophistication, and artistry for sailors who demand the extraordinary, with an astounding price of approximately $43 million US. Before we move on to our top choice, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share some of your boating stories and adventures down below. Securing the top 1 position, The Naughty Tech 48 Open is an excellent example of modern catamaran design, blending performance and versatility. Premium wood finishes, soft touch fabrics, and panoramic windows enhance the interior, flooding the space with natural light and offering breathtaking sea views. Recognized for its innovative design and exceptional craftsmanship, the Naughty Tech 48 Open has earned prestigious awards, winning the Best Catamaran and Multi-Hull 2025 and a 2025 European Yacht of the Year. At 48 feet or 14.67 meters in length, with a beam of 26 feet 3 inches or 7.97 meters, the Naughty Tech 48 Open is engineered for both stability and agility. Powered by twin D260 Volvo engines, it reaches a top speed of 20 knots or 37 kilometers per hour, delivering impressive performance. With a fuel capacity of 600 liters or 159 gallons and water capacity of 600 liters or 159 gallons, it is well suited for both short getaways and long voyages. This catamaran offers a perfect blend of speed, comfort, and luxury for discerning sailors, and is reasonably priced at around $1.2 million. Which of these impressive models fits your idea of the perfect voyage? Despite a wide range of price options, each one is designed to perform and to feel like home. Whether you're chasing the horizon or relaxing with a sunset view, or is there another catamaran you'd like us to cover next? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we're always listening. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your fellow ocean lovers and help keep the wind in our sails. Until next time, safe travels and smooth sailing!